I don't know how to say my goals in English, and the interview is tomorrow.
Wait, you do have goals. You just don't have the English yet.
That feeling is scary. Many learners stop speaking right here.
Yes, they know the idea, but English feels blocked.
Today, we fix this problem together.
By the end, you will confidently talk about your goals in simple English.
Real goals, real sentences, real confidence.
And yes, if this helps you, like the video and subscribe. It really helps us.
Paul, imagine this. You meet a new person, or a teacher, or a boss. They ask you one simple question. What are your goals? And your brain says, nothing.
Let's show a common wrong answer first. My goal is, I want many things. Life better?
I understand, but it sounds unclear, and the speaker feels shy and nervous.
That's okay. This is normal. Now let's fix it step by step. First rule, say one goal, not 10, just one. My goal is to learn English.
Simple, clear, correct. Pause and say it with me, learners. My goal is to learn English.
Again, slowly. My goal is to learn English.
Exactly. Nice.
Now we add a reason. This makes it real. Use this pattern. Because I want to. My goal is to learn English because I want a better job.
My goal is to learn English because I want a better job.
Pause and say it with me, learners. My goal is to learn English because I want a better job.
Good. Don't rush. English likes calm rhythm. You just said a full goal sentence. That's a big win.
Many learners never reach this point, but we're not done yet.
People often ask, when?
Keep it simple. Use this year or next year. My goal is to learn English this year.
My goal is to learn English this year.
Perfect. Please don't say from childhood until death.
Yes, that sounds very dramatic. English likes short and clear answers.
Now, a very common real-life situation. A teacher asks about your future.
Wrong English is, I will big person, very success.
I smile, but I'm confused. Let's fix it. Use this pattern. Want to become a. Listen, I want to become a software developer.
Pause and say it with us, learners. I want to become a software developer.
Nice. Add one more short sentence. This shows confidence. Use I am working on it.
Listen, I want to become a software developer. I am working on it.
Pause and say it with me, learners. I want to become a software developer. I am working on it.
Exactly. Very natural English. Notice something? You sound calm, not nervous, because you have a structure. Structure gives confidence.
Not all goals are about jobs. Some are personal. Wrong English is I want happy life and good mind.
Good idea. Unclear English. Let's fix it. Use this. My goal is to have a healthy life. Pause and say it, learners. My goal is to have a healthy life.
Nice. Add a habit. Very easy. I exercise every day. Pause and say it with me, learners. I exercise every day.
Good rhythm. Soon you will answer confidently in real life. We're building toward that moment. Now listen to a full, confident answer. This is your final goal sentence.
My goal is to learn English this year because I want a better job.
I am working on it every day. Pause and say both sentences, learners. Say sentence 1. My goal is to learn English this year because I want a better job.
Sentence 2. I am working on it every day.
Exactly. You did it. Imagine someone asks you now, what are your goals? Answer out loud. Pause the video.
Welcome back. You spoke English. That matters. Today, you solved a real problem. You learned how to talk about your goals in English. Simple sentences, real-life English.
No fear, no long grammar rules. If you felt confident, comment your goal below. Write just one sentence. Practice makes confidence.
Subscribe for more calm, real English practice. You can say this in real life, and now you actually did.